Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's DIY, I made a beautiful lampshade. As you can see, it's a shilling light shade. You won't believe me, it's cost me only 4 to 5 euro. I bought all the materials from Teddy. As you all know, Teddy it's like a 1 euro shop. So let's get started.
Hello.
For making this project, we have to make lots of square pieces. That's why I am using this square shaped tissue paper for creating this same shape. This project inspired from one of the Pinterest picture, but I will create my own version. First we have to make two big square pieces with this wooden stick using the hot glue. I cutted the pointing part of the stick, then glue them and let it be dry. The same process I will make again two pieces of small square. Next I join these two square pieces with the small wooden stick piece. First I cutted the small wooden pieces. This big one for big box and small one for small box. And I joined them using the glue gun. Make sure it should be straight and hold it until it dry. Now we got our first big square. Next, the same process, I made the small square box. For this project, we need lots of glue. For creating a pattern, I glued two more sticks on the one side of small box. And I colored the both boxes with gold acrylic color. Again I glued two more sticks on the another side of the small square box. Again I color it and let it be dry. So I had this brown yarn. I have no idea what it's called. I knocked in one side and secured with hot glue. And I just randomly rolling this yarn for cover the side. At last again I make a knots and secure with glue gun. I made this pattern on the both side of big box. Look at this now, isn't it look very pretty? I don't believe this, it looks very good. So for joining this boat, I used a small wooden stick again. I had a roll of macrame. I bought this from Teddy. It's a less than €1 maybe. I cut it some pieces. Now making knots on the joining part of the big square box. I combed it and cut this in same size. Yeah, finally it's ready. So let's go see the whole look of my new lampshade. So hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, comment, share and please subscribe my channel. See you on my next video. Till then, bye.